Merry Christmas, everyone. I don't post videos on Thursday. When does this video come out? This will be a Friday video, I think. Merry Christmas nonetheless. It's EXO time. I have gotten a lot of recommendations for their live stage of, it was a remix of Mama, Monster, 2 of which I have heard, and then Wolf, which I've not heard. So we're going to listen to Wolf today, and then we're gonna watch that stage today too. They have the Korean version in a music video. They also have the Chinese version in a music video. They both look like they start the exact same, so it's the same. So, not getting subtitles, you know, there's that. But this is the coolest formation I've ever seen. Oh, and the instruments and the ads. Oh, Wolf. The way that they're still standing like that in their formation. The people holding on to each other. Guys, they're still standing. What is our hair? First of all, what is our hair? Second of all, they're still standing in that tree formation. And then the of the instruments. Is this NCT? What is happening? Baekhyun! That is not Baekhyun. This is very genuinely, that was the strangest minute and 15 seconds of my life. Guys, huh? The instrumental is the instrumental is good. The everything else, other than that tree formation at the beginning. This doesn't feel real. This feels like a parody. Ooh, okay. I'm getting it now. Guys, we have 2 different packs. Are they in competing packs? Sorry. The high pitch and the harmonies, I like. Like, the super high pitch is so pretty. Spread out! Everything, guys, the growling going from ear to ear is really something else. I think this is gonna be a oh, the piano is so fucking pretty. Sorry, I was talking over him. Hello? Fuck it up. That's literally my aunt. Okay, wait. Chen. That was Chen. Wait, hold on. Hold up. That bridge was glorious. The fucking high notes. Oh, the harmony. 사랑해요. Oh. Hold on. Give me a minute. Because it got better. It got better. That first, well, other than this part, and this beautiful like instrumental that comes in, I don't know what flute instrument that is, but it's glorious. But this first like this chorus. Like this is very NCT polarizing sounding. The instrumental is just shoving all that shit in there. The bridge is really gorgeous, and then we're just like kind of shouting. Like that's what this is. It might have been, hold on. I think it was around here where I was like, wait a second. Because I had to picture myself in the car. And this would be a beautiful, just fucking, hey, like a good yelling car song. With this fucking piano, feels like there's fucking suspension and tension here. It's so good, and I don't even know how many high notes there were in this ending entirety of it, the entire of the ending, but yeah, okay. I had to let it simmer for a bit. I mean, I already started liking it before the first listen was over, but like the second listen, yeah, I think I spent, oh my god, because we have a stage for it. Oh, the stage is gonna change everything. Let's go. Just gonna assume all the numbers. Sorry. Oh, the stage. Oh, this is the same stage as no one to care about me. Yeah, the stage is so insane. It is huge. This is just their concert. Like, this looks like an award, like, I don't know. It looks like a, or was it like an, I think it's their concert. Okay, wait, there's 9 here. Okay, so there's 9 here. Okay, so some of the names I'm taking in. We have, I think this is Chen, Dio. I think this is the cutie, Chanyeol, Kai. This is the leader. I don't know who this is at all. No, that's Baekhyun. Hello, wake up. This is the leader. Starts with an S. This is Shumin. This guy also starts with an S, I think. Lay. Oh, the fucking beat. How did I know it was gonna come in? The way they're doing their own remix, like they're doing remixes at their own concerts is See, everybody should do that. I guess Skiz did that, didn't they? ATEEZ also did. Oh, the lights, and then their silhouette, and it's so good. Right, Monster. Oh, I didn't see a dance for Monster, did I? The fan chant? I don't know what they're saying, but there's a fan. Wait. That was all we got of Mama, and now the rest of the. Okay. Guys, they're so loud. Shut up. Yeah. Purple. My favorite. Look at that. Hey, hey, hey. 10. Ooh. The fucking Ripple, you guys. Okay, so there was this in the music video too. Ah, I love that part. No. Ooh, guys, the way we have Dio doing and then it goes to Chen, and then it goes from him to Kai in the middle, and they were like, anyways, that's kind of how singing goes. His sharp going down. Human. Chanyo. Shit, I don't know his name. Lei? That's the Maknae. That one was the Maknae. I just know this because you guys like left timestamps. This one. And his name is like Sehyun? Good, that was pretty. Wow. Speaking about pretty. What's that for? What? I forgot about the instrumental of this song. That was cunt. Guys, no, there's something about Chen's voice. I just don't know what it is, but like, he comes in here. It like lights up all the good neurons. Right, okay. Oh! The fucking camera angles are insane, by the way. Oh, right. Right. You're actually, oh my god, you're actually fucking kidding.
You're actually joking.
You're actually joking. Though, what do you... What? What? What now? I'm sorry, you make me so crazy. You know you do. I'm sorry, you make me so crazy. You know you oh my god, goosebumps! How are they not sweating, dying, passing out on stage in these fuck-ass outfits? Is that my... Oh my god, they sound so fucking good live, you guys! Leo. Hey! Oh my god. Here we go. That was so good. That was so yummy. I forgot that that's how the song ended for some reason. Oh my god, yes, they do the tree live. They have to hold that for so long. Guys, with the visuals on the screen. That was him in the music video. Maybe it wasn't. Oh my god, that part sounds so cool. Oh my god. They are doing these songs all way... Guys, we are fully doing a workout on stage. They did these songs right after each other. So like, how are they not dying? Again? Oh my god, the instrumental sounds so fucking good. Is that... What the actual fuck? Is that how it sounded? That one part? Oh. No way the instrumental sounded like this. His voice is heavenly. That's fun! Oh no, this was only 9, and there was 12 in the music video. Guys, the scream. Okay, it looked like he was fucking walking them like dogs. Maybe that's what it's supposed to be. I think that's the last thing. Say up. We go back to the tree. Oh my god, it's so cool. Oh, there's something about the tree with them, right? Because in their newest teaser for the new comeback, there's a tree is like a thing. Anyways. Oh my god! Tell me they're not all getting a little solo dance. Oh my god, this is so fucking cool! Sorry, what? Oh, fuck the tree. Is this lore? It looks visuals of the dancers. Oh, back and forth. What's the actual? Huh? Not the fucking tree again. Guys, can we just end the song? I have a disease where I get so unreasonably angry when people impress me. Huh? Let's fuck it up. Guys, this makes me want to cry. I just want to cry. Not the fucking wolf. What the fuck? How? Even the fucking spin was perfect. That was the most insane thing I've ever genuinely seen. Like, there's a lot of talented people, and I stan a lot of talented people. How do I say this in a nice way? I thought that I have seen a lot of very impressive stages and a lot of very impressive performances, and I clearly haven't, because that should not be possible. They were singing live for 12 straight minutes, and we're hitting these and dancing and wearing the hottest clothes probably imaginable, and we're hitting these high ass motherfucking notes like it's nothing. Like, it didn't, like, obviously, is any of this making sense? I would love to see groups try to do this and sound that well. I don't think there's a lot of groups that could do that successfully. I always get emotional when the instruments and the vocals are just so intense and you can see how much effort people are putting into something. I want to watch this again. Guys, what the fuck? Okay, I will see you guys next time. Bye!